Hi guys, Letizia here. Welcome to my channel. So from the title of this video, you know that I am giving myself a unicorn haircut. I haven't had a haircut in a while. The ends of my hair are very uneven, so why not? I liked the way my hair looked, but my ends were getting pretty tangled up, so it was time for a trim. I decided instead to just get the unicorn cut. And you know what? I am so excited and I can't wait for you guys to come on this journey with me and see how it turns out. I've trimmed my hair before but never actually gave myself a haircut. So yeah, I think I was pretty nervous, but let's go. First thing I did was wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner, and I left some conditioner in so that I could then detangle my hair. As you guys can see, I'm detangling my hair from the bottom up, and I'm using this old Avon brush that I've been using for like forever. Honestly, I don't even know if they sell them anymore, but I love them. After I finished detangling my hair, I applied leave-in conditioner from the bottom to all the way up. I wanted to make sure that my hair would be as moisturized as possible because after this I was going to have to brush it all the way to the front. You're going to need two hair scrunchies because you're going to have to tie your hair up on the top and also right where you want to get that cut. So the next step, and probably the most important one, is to brush your hair forward, and you have to make sure the whole thing is detangled again, and also you have to hold it evened out towards the front. You're gonna grab your scrunchie and tie your hair up right above your forehead, and you have to make sure it's centered on your head. Otherwise, when you actually go for the cut, if it's not centered, the ends of your hair might come out uneven. So it's very important to tie it up on the center and tie it up very tightly so that the hair doesn't move. I recommend brushing your hair again just one more time to make sure everything is even and detangled, and then you're going to choose where do you want to cut your hair. But be very careful about this because once you cut it, you already know it takes a while for it to grow back, so you're better off starting just a little bit and then you can always just do it again and move your way up. So my hair is pretty long, so I was struggling to hold it to make sure it will catch on camera, but I am going to cut right under the second rubber band. There might be some hair that doesn't cut off, so just make sure you fix that so the whole cut is straight. And there you go. And that's how much hair I cut off. Right after this, I took the scrunchie off and I put my hair down so I could see how it looks. And I decided to detangle my hair and check my ends to make sure that the longest ones are the same size, and guess what? They were. I was so excited about the results that I decided to style my hair to see how it would look. And if you guys want to see my curly hair routine, please let me know down on the comment section and I'll make a video just about that. But yeah guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.